What is going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2019 Ford F250 6.2 diesel, and today we have an interesting problem with this truck. So this is pretty much the second truck that I've done having the same issue, and I guess some of you guys will have the same problem too with this type of trucks. All right, so if you have this type of key, which is the key code HU101, I believe 110, something like that. Well, anyways, it's the Mercedes cut key and you're having issues opening the cylinder, which is right here, and you're stuck and you cannot open the switch and turn on the vehicle or anything, and this is the original key from the vehicle, then I have the solution for you. So I'm gonna assemble the cylinder back into place so I can show you how you can get around this problem. It's pretty simple. The only thing you have to do is snap this clip that it's right here in order to take out the cylinder, so you can remove the whole assembly, which is this one. And well, on some of these vehicles the only way to put the cylinder in there is by opening the switch, turning it to the on position before start, and it will come out by pressing a little tap right here. So let me show you how this thing works. So this is your key cylinder. It has the wafers in there, and pretty much what happens is over time, it doesn't matter if you put lubricant in there, it will not work. So this thing over time, I think the problem with this is the springs. As you can see, this thing is going all the way down. It must be like this, flush, and that's the problem. That's why it will not turn on, because he thinks well, the springs are worn out and he thinks that it's not the right key, but it is, because I can open the door locks, and this truck is almost pretty brand new. Let me show you right here. So as you can see, this is the original key, it's not another key, and the truck has never been worked on or anything like that. So let me just assemble the switch like I said, and I'll show you what to do. All right, so this is your cylinder, right? Okay, and you want to put the key and open it, and it will not open like that. So what you do, all right, let me show you the trick, what you have to do. So you see this little clip right here, so this clip goes right here, it sits right here and it clips on. So what you gotta do is take a little pick like this or something sharp and thin. You're gonna pry it right here, and it will release the clip like this. So once you release it, take out this tumbler cover, and once you release that, you're gonna be able to remove the actual cylinder where the wafers are installed. So for that, you just gotta pull it like this and it will come out easy. And to take that piece out, well, what you gotta do is you gotta press this tab right here, gotta press it, and at the same time you gotta pull this. So if I do it right, let me see, should be able to pull it out. There we go, and it comes out. And that's pretty much the whole thing. If you want to do this yourself, well, this is gonna be what you're gonna need: a new tumbler from Ford. This is gonna be the part number right here, and I would recommend, if you don't have a machine like this to decode the key, well, you have to pay an extra $50 to get it coded to your vehicle, and you will be ready to go. It's a pretty straightforward fix. I believe a lot of locksmiths will hate me for sharing this information, but anyways, it's just to share some people being stuck on the street. This truck was stuck right here on a farm. This is a farm, and they couldn't move the truck, so they called me and they said, can you move the truck because we need to move it? And I came, and that's the problem that it had. All right, people, so it's already done, and check it out. I already installed a new one and coded to the original key. Let's check it out, and there we go. It's beautiful. And well, that's pretty much it. That's how you fix it, changing this tumbler on this 2019 Ford F250. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video, the information. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and well, I'll see you on the next episode. You fix out. Bye.